Hi, I'm Dr. Aimee Lyst from the Counseling and Learning Center. Today I want to talk about 3 simple things that you can do every day that will greatly improve your mental health: sleep, diet, and exercise. Now before I get started, I know that you've all heard all of these before, but I think they're so important for mental health that they're worth repeating. And if you've heard them all before from the physical health standpoint, I want you to really stop and consider how they positively impact your mental health. So let's talk about sleep. Most of us know we need to get about 8 hours of sleep every night for our health. Most of us also know as adults that's really difficult to do. So I'm not suggesting that you have to watch the clock and get 8 hours of sleep every night. But on an average, you need to be able to have 7 to 8 hours of sleep a night to wake up and feel refreshed. Your brain needs that time to really shut down and kind of almost like a computer or cell phone reboot itself so that it's ready in the morning and you wake up refreshed and your brain's able to handle all of the challenges that come at it during the day. Diet. We need to talk about diet. Again, for your physical health, you want to have a good diet, fruits and vegetables, all of those things so that you maintain the right weight, you can get out and exercise appropriately, do all the things that you want to do. For your mental health, your brain needs the right nutrients. So if you're eating a lot of junk food, your brain's not getting all of the nutrients and chemicals that it needs to be as effective as it can be. If you have a diet that's full of a lot of sugar or a lot of caffeine, those things really stimulate the brain and they can make anxiety symptoms or stressors seem much more intense than they really are. So you want to try to keep those things at a minimum and make sure you're eating lots of healthy foods. And finally, exercise. And I think this one's probably one of the more important ones in our lives. People talk about our physical health and talk about aging and wanting to keep your body as young as possible. But I think a lot of people don't look at that from the brain standpoint. And your brain ages. And the new research that's coming out, one of the ways to keep your brain healthy and younger is to exercise so that your brain gets the same amount of blood flow, stimulation, endorphins, all those things that you get through exercise for your physical body, your brain gets those as well. So remember those 3 simple things: sleep, diet, and exercise. They impact your physical health, but they also really improve your mental health. If you have questions about this topic or any other mental health concerns, please call us at the Counseling and Learning Center. If you or anyone you know would benefit from mental health treatment, please call your doctor or contact another qualified medical professional in your area.